Here comes a train heading westbound here at Dorval around sunset. The 2nd of July 2024 here at Dorval Station. Is it on track 2? I think it's on track 2. Maybe track 3. Coming into track 2. Definitely a freight. Sounds like an SD70M-2 actually. Oh, 3 locomotives on that one. Well, it looks like it switched from track 3 to track 2 before. So this train came out of track 2 all the time. Before I heard the switch machine, it had definitely moved the switch from the open to the closed position, I guess. Yeah, those are slabs of aluminum. Ah, it's a short train. Here it is, going through Dorval, heading west. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.